Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down, you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. It's going to show for you like this. Until you're looking for Photomath app, just click on search. Then here at Photomath, it's going to show for you like this here. You just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, you just click on storage here. You come to storage list. So then all you have to do, you just click on clear cache. So then you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.